Hey, how's it going? It's me, Tuna from Chad Editor, and today we're in Bali. This is our own penthouse. I want to show you the view. Pretty nice view. That's the sea over there. By the way, it's not about the view, so I just want to talk about how you can make $1,000 per week with video editing, which is something I've done before. In fact, if anyone wants to call me out on bullshit, I had to get a surgery around a year or two ago, and I only had 20 days or so to make the money for it, and I made $2,500 just in the nick of time. I think I made it in like 17 days. So the things I'm about to teach you will work for anyone, all right? If you're like, oh, I'm from India, it will work for you too, bro. If you're from fucking America, from Bosnia, it doesn't matter. If you can, if you have a bank account, it will work for you, all right? So this is the formula. It's a really easy and simple formula. It's how it goes. So you need 4 clients paying you $250 per week, right? And that's $1,000 per week. So you just need to make 4 videos per week. Now, in my course, How to Make $1,000, I teach you how to become an efficient editor as well. So the idea is that you finish 1 video per day, right? It will take you around 8 hours to finish 1 video, and you get paid $250 for that video. So if you break it down, you will work, so an hour of your work will be worth around $31.50 or so, which equates to 8 hours for $250. 8 times 4 is 32 hours. You work 32 hours and you make $1,000 per week. Now, the good thing with video editing is that I was literally just working. Now I'm just chilling. Like I can just walk around here whenever I want. I can wake up at like 2 p.m. I could wake up at whenever I want. I'm time free, location free. I can live wherever I want, right? Like I think these are some cauldrons. Like, yeah, like I can just hang out with these cauldrons if I want to, So it's the cool thing about video editing. But yeah, that's the formula. Now, I'm gonna be honest. It's not only gonna take 4 days, because you probably will get revisions. But revisions are pretty easy. They'll take like an hour or 2 of your time extra max if you get them, right? So to get 4 clients to give you $250, you need also high quality clients that have the money to pay you. Plus you need to have the skills to deliver those things. And in my course, I teach you how to level up yourself, your editing skills, and kind of like your status as an editor, so you start attracting high quality clients, even to a point where you will literally, like a lot of you are like, oh, how do I get clients? No one wants me. You will have to turn people down, which is what I do, because I actually value my time, and like I just want to chill, bro. I don't want to work 24/7. Like I live a cool life. I don't want to work all the time. So that is my way of doing stuff. I'm never gonna be like, oh, work till your bones are dead and all that stuff. I mean, you will need to at one point, right? You will need to get to that level. But once you get to that level, you'll be cruising. It'll be so easy. You just hop on your laptop, work a couple hours, just go out, go to the gym, go for a walk, go to the beach. Can you show them the beach? Yeah. So it's a beach over there. If you're just bored, you're like, fuck it. You can just go there, man. You can fucking surf. I actually picked up surfing, but I'm really bad at surfing, so I was like, fuck it. I'm too big to surf, man. I'm too bulky. I get off balance. Actually, my balance is good. I'm just shit. I just don't want to put in time. But anyway, that is how you make $1,000 per week. Now, you might have some questions about the course, what's in its content. So I start by first welcoming you. I start by talking about stuff, and then I go into psychology and how to build yourself up as a high quality video editor. This will take some work, but I'm sure you can do it. If not, don't buy the fucking course, bro. You don't have to fucking buy it. If you don't think you can do it, then fucking don't try. Anyway, so we talk about that, and then we talk about where to find your clients, where to find the people that want to work with you, because that's important. You got to be able to find the people that want to work with you. And then, sorry, this is off the cuff. I'm trying to remember what I got. And yeah, we talk about efficiency, getting clients, and the formula, and also have some bonus stuff like live calls, and I even talk about, as a bonus, how to scale your editing business to over 10k dollars a month, because I did this for 1 month actually, which I quit afterwards. But there's a special way that no one talks about on how to literally print money by doing nothing with video editing. I don't do this because it is unethical, so but it's in there. If you're like, fuck me, I need to make like couple $1,000 or I'm gonna, you know, just my life's over, I talk about how you can do that. Is it ethical? No, but you know, if you need a lot of money today or tomorrow, it is a way that works. So yeah, that's how you make $1,000 per week with video editing. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. The link for the course will be in the description below. It should be on my Gumroad. You can check it out there. And I truly believe that it is the best, the greatest course on making money with video editing of all time on YouTube or any platform or whatever, right? We just talk about how you can edit videos and work with YouTubers, right? I don't talk about, I don't know, fucking editing, vetting videos or some other bullshit. Like, I don't know, man. But just talk about YouTube or creators, Instagram, TikTok, all those creators. You want to work with YouTubers and get millions of views so you can brag about it online. That's what I teach you, all right? Yeah, I think that's it. Link in the description. If you have any questions, comment below. And I'll see you on the inside. Yeah, I'll see you on the inside. So just click the link below, buy it, and I'll see you there.